Of emotion in a Campbell County courtroom today as a woman convicted of killing her husband explains why she deserves a new trial. Not only did Cheryl McCafferty take the stand, but so did her daughter. 9 on your side, reporter Jay Warren live in Newport with what each had to say. Jay?
Well, Clyde, one of the principal questions today from McCafferty's new lawyers is why her defense team did not go with a battered spouse defense at trial. Now, Frank Mungo, who was on that defense team, said that it was in their opinion that the self-defense would have been a better way to go about getting an acquittal, because with the battered spouse defense, the only two witnesses would be Cheryl McCafferty and Robert McCafferty. In addition to going with the battered spouse defense, that would allow the Commonwealth to bring its expert psychiatric experts to interview Cheryl McCafferty, as that is not something that the defense team wanted because they'd have no control over that. Now, as part of the testimony today, McCafferty's daughter, Molly, took the witness stand and described an alleged scene in which Robert McCafferty was abusive towards Cheryl. In addition, Cheryl McCafferty says that the jury was not allowed to hear a 911 call at trial the night before, and that is what they say led to the shooting.
He told her to shut up and knocked her down and grabbed her by the wrist and drug her to my room. And that's when I picked up the phone and I went in my closet and called my grandma and said, my dad's going crazy, I need help, I'm scared.
They were not allowed to hear the whole story. They were only allowed to hear what happened that night. They weren't allowed to hear substantiating evidence that led up to that.
Now again, this 911 call from the night before was not allowed at trial. The current team of attorneys for McCafferty, they're going to review that, as is the Commonwealth's attorney. What bearing that's going to have on the judge's decision to grant a new trial, though, is yet to be known. He has 31 days to make that decision. Jay Warren, 9 on your side, Newport.